In this video, I will share how to make this neon dance effect using Create Studio Pro. This is Randy with another Create Studio Pro tutorial. Hey, I first posted the instructions to do this effect on Facebook back in May. However, like me, many of you are visual learners, so I decided to make a video tutorial of how to create this effect. Okay, let's get started. The neon colors are more vibrant with a black background, so I will change that, and also choose the square shape for my background. This effect works great on moving objects, so I chose the dance moves from Charlotte. Duplicate the track 2 times. The magic happens with the color fill effect, and you can find that effect by clicking on the star on the far left-hand side. Click and drag color fill to the bottom 2 tracks. Create a group of the bottom 2 tracks by selecting them, right mouse click, and select group. Tip: by the way, you can also group using Ctrl G. Open the group to the group editor by clicking on the Open Group button on the right-hand side. You may be asking, hey Randy, why did we create this group if we're going to reopen it? Well, hang on, you will see in a minute. Select the top track, and in the top right of the Create Studio Pro, click on Effects. Then click on Overlay. Change the color to black, and you can see a thin outline. Next, click on Settings, click on Properties, and decrease the scale by 1%. And here you can see a bold neon yellow color. At the very top, click on Back to Main Timeline. Select the group and duplicate 2 times. By the way, you can add more duplicates if you want more than 3 neon colors. Open the second from the bottom group and jump into the group editor. Here's another tip. It is possible to jump into the group editor by double-clicking the group. Hey, that's convenient. Select the bottom track and enter the overlay effect. Change the color to another neon color. Here I will choose red. Close the group by backing out to the main timeline. Now select the bottom group and use the same techniques to pick yet another neon color. The last step is to phase shift each neon color a few frames. Select the top group and move it right. I will choose 3 frames. Select the middle group and move it an additional 3 frames. And finally, shift the last group 3 frames later than the middle group. There you go. That is how to create the neon dance effect. Good day, everyone, and happy creating.